All right. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. The market's closed. Let's just jump right into it. Again, this will be a short video because this is our third video of the week here. But I do want to show you the price action because I think it's really important that we pay attention to what's happening and not stick our head in the sand and kind of ignore it. So what we did here on the report day, right? This is yesterday, big down day, which in the scheme of big down days in soybeans, it's really not that big of a deal. I mean, yesterday was about a 28-cent range, which beans can be 60, 70-cent ranges on a big wild day. So as far as the report went, it was actually not that bearish. You know, you ended up with the USDA shrinking the carryout, but the traders just sold it out of fear of further demand cuts. And I think that that's going to prove to be silly based on what yield is doing and ultimately what soybean oil is doing today as well, which was up significantly. If I look at that, yep, bean oil is up a whole 150 points. So big significant move in bean oil, and meal also came well off its lows today. So that put soybeans in a full reversal pattern today. So you see the spike low right back here that matches with the 23rd of August. You have the 61.8% retracement of this whole rally right here. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move up. You have this move, which is contained within parallel lines, and I can show you that right here. If we draw from this peak down to, why is my computer not doing this for me here today? There we are. If we draw from this peak down and snap here, you can see that we just tested the bottom side of this trend channel here today and reversed, and up we come. So if we look at shorter term stuff, what you have here is you have a wave 1 off the bottom, you have a wave 2 correction. Now we have 5 waves up here and down in a corrective price channel into a wave 2. So it says again 1, 2, 1, 2. What should unfold here is a big explosive move back up to the upside. You know, one of the things that might drive this is the fact that we're already harvesting in states like North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. And it's only the 13th of September, where they're typically 3-4 weeks away yet from really getting going. But combines are starting to roll. And I don't think that's a good sign for yield if that's the case. So I think we need to stick the course here and make sure that we are positioned for upward mobility here in beans, because I do think that that's what this is telling us, and I think this is what the overall tenor of the market is telling us here as well. So a day is not a trend. This certainly is not undone yet. We need to get above yesterday's high at 1372, and for sure we need to see this low down here at 1333 hold serve here. So we'll see what happens, but we're looking up. Corn also had a nice day today, although not as good as beans because we didn't punch a new low to get a reversal action. We really just have an inside day. But if we do push up and out of here tomorrow, then we could get some exuberance moving to the upside. In corn, really nothing changes about our analysis. We're looking up from these levels, not down, but clearly we need to clear some overhead resistance in order to get too excited about it. Now, wheat did finally have a higher low and a higher high today, and pushed itself forward right back up into, came back up through all this resistance here. And if we can pop up above last Thursday's high, which is at 754, if we can break that and get up above here, then I think wheat really does set itself into a position to work higher. Again, if there was anything really bullish about the report yesterday, it really comes into the wheat side, and the fact that we just continue to shrink global stocks and our market seems to just not really care. So I think that can be really explosive. No reason to change that opinion. And if wheat goes, corn goes. If wheat and corn go, beans go. If beans go, corn probably goes. And if corn goes, wheat probably goes. So they're all related. They're all intertwined. And I think that they're all going to move. The next most significant move is likely higher, in our opinion, with all three of them moving in that same direction. So be positioned the right way. Completely understand wanting to have downside managed, but really, I think we're getting ready to have a strong end of the year here as we get more harvest information underway. All right, that is 5 minutes. That's all I'm going to do today. We'll see what the action does tomorrow. Again, we're looking higher. I think these recent lows need to hold for sure, but overall, I see no reason to look anywhere but up at the present moment. Remember, there is risk trading futures and options, and you should only do so in light of your own financial condition. Hope you guys have a great day. We will talk to you later.